Yeah, that's not gonna work. Hey, so I've got this fence that I'm trying to fix, and I don't want to replace this fence. I'd like to just fix it for another year, but there's some problems. Some of it looks pretty nice, but there's a few places where we need some help. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So this is a section of fence that I fixed, replaced an old rotten post down here, and what I'm trying to do is just stack the rails back on top of each other. Over time the posts sort of spread apart, and then all the rails would just fall down. So that's why these wires are on there. And we'll look at a few of these other ones so you can see these ones a little further apart. The posts are so far apart that the rails fall just falling down. There was a rock wedged in there trying to hold it together at one point. This one down here has a brick stuck in it, trying to fix it. So I'll see if I can get this fence looking like that part of the fence. For like 10 minutes, I thought I could just restack these. This should be working pretty well. But then no. So I took them all down, and we'll just start from the ground up, and we'll see how it goes from here. Finished last night. The battery died. I got a little more done after that. So let's take a look at that. So there's a little problem here because this section is longer than these other two sections of fence, and there are some rotten rails in here. So I have some extra rails stacked up along the fence over there, but they're all too short because this is a long section, and all these rails were cut to fit when this fence was built. Most of the fence is fixed. It's looking pretty good. There's a few little kind of sketchy areas. These posts are shorter than all the rest of the posts, and those fence posts are kind of far apart, but it looks mostly okay. Each rail was hand cut to fit in its place in the fence. You can see axe markings on the rails where they were cut by hand. When I had a rail that didn't fit, I tried to replicate the spirit of the fence and cut that end by hand to make it fit as well. Thanks for watching Factor 85 Labs. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button. If you're working on any projects around your house, leave a comment, let me know what sort of things you're working on. If you're not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button to see any new videos that we put up.